How to clone stamp tool in Photoshop. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comments any suggestion or question that you have. And also don't forget to see our other Photoshop videos in the Photoshop 2022 playlist. And let's get started. So what is clone stamp tool used for? It's mainly used for patching or healing any disturbing or uneven part of an image. For example, we have here a moon in the middle between the two trees. What if somebody wants to remove this moon from the image? There are many tools to do this, but today we're gonna do it with the clone stamp tool. So to go to the clone stamp tool, just go to the left to the tools panel and go to this stamp like icon, or you can just click on S, click on this, or you can just type S and then click on this, then click on Option or Alt in order to choose the source. Click on Option, then click. We just want the stamp to be near the object that we want to remove, as the clone stamp tool doesn't do any blending while cloning. So let's choose this part, for example, remove our hands from the Option or Alt key, then go just a step and then click here and then click here, click here, click here, click here, and this part also. And as you can see, the moon is removed. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.